So now I'll start adding the rough detail onto the tooth the way I want it. And once again, switch over to my trim dynamic and polish this out. And if there's some areas that I'm noticing in here, which I want the striations, but I don't necessarily want some of the cross hatching, I'm just going to take those out with the smooth brush, because I'll be adding my own cracks anyway using a couple of the other brushes. Okay, so just hitting all of this to get a nice chunky block, almost like a brick. That will be the tooth. Excellent. And I won't go too far into detail, and the reason for that is the more I finish this piece, the more unique it's going to look, and makes it difficult for me to duplicate it and use it for the other teeth, because they'll all look identical, and I don't want that. So by keeping it somewhat unfinished, I'm able to just do the finishing work on each of the teeth individually at this stage. So once again, important, hit a milestone, go ahead and save. Save as a new iteration. So we have skull 3. And now I'll turn the skull back on so we can see what we're working with. Now move this tooth. We have one that is on this side here, and I want to scale that. So bring that tooth down. Excellent. Bring it up and just give it a bit of a rotation. And then I'm going to rotate it out because we want the tooth to definitely flare out later on. And there's some shape here that I need to reshape with the move brush. But for now, that's just to get a general rough position of it. Okay. In fact, let's just go ahead and do that now, get that out of the way. So I'm going to reduce my divisions roughly down to a 4. That should be easy. Just so that when I'm moving, I'm not moving as much geometry. I just want to be careful and make sure that I maintain that fun shape that the tooth has, which is somewhat of a triangular goofiness going on. Awesome. Let's see how that looks. I'm liking that. I just want my overall tooth to be just a little bit more narrow. So I'll pull that in a bit more here and make sure that we're still coming out and beveled. Looks good. Nice. Let's do one more rotation. Just rotate it a little bit that way, and we'll call that good for now.